So now we will see how to handle guided roller supports. Guided roller support, okay? (18 kilonewton per meter). Let's take 30 kilonewtons. Maybe C, okay? Now, first fixed moments. So MFEAB how much? 18 into 3 square by 12. So 18 into 9 by 12, WL square by 12. 3/4, that is 13.5, right? 13.5, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
13.5. Then PL by 8, that is minus 15 plus 15. These are fixed moments, okay? Now, distribution factors you will see. Joint B, BA span, BC span. So, stiffness 4A by 3. For BC span, EA by L, that is EA by 4. So, total is 4 by 3 plus 1 by 4 EI equal to 16 plus 3, 19 by 12 EI. Distribution factors are 4 by 3 into 12 by 19, which is equal to 16 by 19. Here 4 by 3 into 4 by 4, oh sorry, 1 by 4 into 12 by 19, that is 3 by 19. So 16 by 19, 3 by 19. You know, for guided roller, stiffness is just A by L. For fixed for end, then 4A by L. For hinged one or roller one, that is 3A by L. For guided roller, just A by L. Okay. Then how to handle this one here at guided roller? This moment, that is very important. No, actually, see this part separately. This one 30. For 30 and couples, anti-clockwise 15 and clockwise 15 couples are there. So for these reactions are just 15 and 15. 15 and 15 are the reactions, okay? Whenever this guided roller is there, their reaction must be 0 because displacement is released, vertical displacement is released. That's why it's not possible to create any vertical reaction. That means here we need to make it 0, this reaction. this reaction we need to make it 0 by applying opposite reaction. See here at C end 15 upward reaction is there. To make it 0, just apply downward 15. For that, again, for balancing that, here again 15 we need to apply. Because of that, what happens here? Because this is 4 meter span, couple 15 into 4 couple is producing here. 15 into 4 couple is producing. 15 into 4 how much? Couple 60 clockwise couple is producing. So that 60 clockwise couple needs to be addressed actually. So anti-clockwise 60 we need to apply 30 and 30 here. Why 30 and 30 only? Why equally we need to apply 30 and 30 means, see that 30 and 30, it is like this. Left side 30, left side anti-clockwise means negative. Right side anti-clockwise means positive. So this kind of movement it produces. Okay, 30 and 30. Left side anti-clockwise means hogging. Right side anti-clockwise means sagging. It produces like this. See here, after releasing the structure, see we actually, I will show you that structure displacement, structural displacement. Okay. So first, in first run, we have fixed like this. At ABC, we have fixed. Then we are releasing at C. That means, see, fixed means the displacement curve will be like this. The displacement curve will be like this. After releasing at C, what happens? The displacement curve becomes see here at B and C, now also the slope is 0 at B and C. Deepika, okay. So at B and C, slope is 0. Karthik, అర్థమవుతుందా చెప్పేది?
Yes, sir.
At B and C, slopes are 0 according to moment area theorem 1. According to moment area theorem 1, the slope difference between 2 points must be equal to area of curvature diagram between those 2 points. Now at B and C, B also slope is 0, at C also slope is 0, slope difference also 0. That's why curvature diagram must be 0 between B and C. That means bending moment diagram must be 0. If you have equal moments at B and C, then only the curvature diagram area will become 0. That's why to have this B and at B and C slopes 0, just we are maintaining curvature diagram area 0. That means bending moment diagram area maintaining 0. That means same moments we are applying here 30-30. Why we are applying 30-30 means our intention is we need to release the reaction at C. That means just by applying opposite direction 15, we can make it 0 here. So to have that, equilibrium condition, some of the vertical forces must be 0. To have that, 15 must be applied at other end. So because of that, couple will create 15 into 4 couple will create. That means 60 couple will create. So again, to maintaining equilibrium condition of some of the moments must be 0. Opposite couple for this 15 into 4 clockwise couple, we need to apply opposite couple. That means anti-clockwise couple 60 needs to be applied on this beam. That 60 also both ends 50%. That means 30-30 we need to apply. That means here now to release that 15 we need to apply anti-clockwise 30 at B. That means anti-clockwise 30 means minus 30. That minus 30 needs to be applied. Okay, this one minus 30. So if you apply minus 30 here, obviously for the far end, how much will go? What is the carryover for guided roller? What is the carryover for guided roller? carry over factor is how much for guided roller? It is -1. So 30 carry over will go. For guided roller, we have seen that in previous classes, okay? For guided roller support, carry over factor was -1. If you apply M moment at one end, exactly opposite moment will develop at the other end. So same we are applying here. So now submit. Minus 13.5, 13.5, minus 45, and here 45. Now we can distribute it. I mean balance under. So minus 45 plus 13.5, which is equal to how much? Minus 31.5. So we need to apply 31.5 multiplied by 16 by 19 equal to how much?
26.52.
26.52.
52.
And another one, 31.5 multiplied by 3 by 19.
4.97.
4.97.
7.
That means carry over here minus 4.97 to this end, carry over is 13.26. So now sum. How much is this sum? Minus 13.5 plus 13.26. Minus 0.24. 24, okay. This one 40.02. This one I think 98, right?
No, sir. 26.53 and 4.97.
6.53. That means here 3 minus 40.03. This one 40.03 amount here. Okay, this is the these are the final moments. అర్థమైందా మనం గైడెడ్ రోల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలా హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలో? ఆ రియాక్షన్ అక్కడ రిలీజ్ చేయాలంటే ఇంత ప్రాసెస్ చేయాలన్నమాట. రియాక్షన్ రిలీజ్ చేస్తే మనకు ఆ మూమెంట్స్ డెవలప్ అవుతాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే, ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇందులో? ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ చేసామా? యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్ 30 బి దగ్గర అప్లై చేసాము, ఇక్కడ కూడా అప్లై చేయాలి కదా.
30 ఎలా వచ్చింది?
1 సెకండ్, ఇక్కడ సమ్ మిస్టేక్ అయినట్టుంది. ఇక్కడ ఈ 30 మనం అప్లై చేసినప్పుడు యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా 30 అప్లై చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ కూడా 30 అప్లై చేసి బి దగ్గర సి దగ్గర మనం ఏం చేసాం, ఇది రిలీజ్ చేయడం వల్ల 15 వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ ఇది 15 వచ్చింది. సో క్లాక్ వైజ్కి యాంటీ క్లాక్ ఈ 30 జస్ట్ యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్ వస్తాయి. 30 వచ్చేసాయి. వచ్చేసిన తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ స్టేటస్ ఏంటి? So here first we got moments like this 13.5 and 13.5. Here 15 and 15. Now we are releasing. By releasing, we need to apply moments here 30 anticlockwise and 30 anticlockwise. If you apply 30 anticlockwise, 30 anticlockwise, because of this 30 and 30, the 60 moment, here these 15 and these 15 will develop and it becomes 0. So now present status is minus 30 and minus 30. This is not carryover actually. Okay. Minus 30 and minus 30. Now we need to total it. Okay. Just by applying here 30 and 30, we are getting released at C. So minus 13.5, 13.5, minus 45, minus 15. These are the moments. Okay. Now we need to apply this one balance. Okay. 13.5 minus 45, which is equal to 40 point minus 40 point 41 point minus 31.5 minus 31.5. So we need to apply 31.5 multiplied by 16 by 19 and 31.5 multiplied by 3 by 19. ఎంతమ్మా ఇది?
26.52.
ఎంతమ్మా? 20
6.52.
52 53 నమ్మా?
52 చెప్పినాడు సార్ ఇందాక.
52 నా? 2 తర్వాత ఎంత ఉందమ్మా?
1 minute.
53 వస్తుంది సార్.
ఓకే.
రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేస్తాం.
నెక్స్ట్
5 to 6.
ఓకే 53. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్
4.97.
4.97. No carryovers. This is 13.265, right? This one. Sum is how much here?
0.23 minus 0.23.
How much minus? Minus 0.
235 sir.
Here
40.03.
0.
3.
Okay, minus 40.03. Here minus 19.9.
19.97.
-1.97.
So these are the moments produced at this one. So how to cross check whether it is correct or not, that we will see. Next problem, 18.334. One more problem we will do to cross check this. Okay. So 3 meters, 4 meters. UDL point load. Now, this beam we will analyze. We'll see what happens. Okay. A, B, C, D. At B support, BA, BC. BA stiffness is how much? 4A by 3. BA. BC, 4A by 8. At C support, CB, CD. CB, 4A by 8. CD, 4A by 3. So sum is 4 by 3 plus 4 by 8 equal to how much? 44 by 32 plus 12, 44 by 24. That means 4 by 3 into 24 by 44. That equal to 11, 8 by 11. Obviously, this one will be 3 by 11. Correct, na? Check it. 3 by 11. So just it is opposite. 3 by 11. Karthik, correct, na?
Sir, correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now fixed moments. Tell me fixed moment here. 18 into 3 square by 12 minus 13.5. 13.5. Here also minus 13.5 and 13.5. Now what about here? Fixed moments. BC. MF BC equal to 30 into A. B square. 6 square by L square. 64. Plus 30 into A square. B by L square, which is equal to 30 by 64 into 2 into 6 into 2 plus 6, 8.
45, sir.
So 45 minus 45 plus 45, symmetry. Okay. Now, what is balance here? Minus 45 plus 13.5. That is how much? 31.5, right? Minus 31.5. So plus 31.5 into 8 by 11. 31.5 into 8 by 11. 31.5 into 3 by 11. Here also.
22.9, sir.
Okay, 31.5 into 3 by 11. 31.5 into 8 by 11. So carry overs. Here 31.5 into 4 by 11. 31.5 into
సార్ అక్కడ మైనస్ వస్తుంది సార్ ఈ దగ్గర
ఇక్కడ కదా minus minus. Okay, so here it is 31.5 into 1.5 by 11 minus 31.5 into 1.5 3 by 22. You can have 3 by 22 half. Minus 31.5 into 3 by 22. Okay, now if you balance here again, 31.5 into 3 by 22 into 8 by 11, right? Here 31.5 into 3 by 22 into 3 by 11. Here minus 31.5 into 3 by 22 into 3 by 11. Here minus 31.5 into 3 by 22 into 8 by 11. Then carry over 31.5 into 3 by 22 into 4 by 11. Here also 31.5 into 3 by 22 into 3 by 22. Here minus 31.5 into 3 by 22 into 3 by 22. Here minus 31.5 into 3 by 22 into 8 by 22. So if you proceed it again, how much you will get here next step here, balancing 31.5 into 3 by 22 whole square into 8 by 11 here, and here 31.5, what is this by 5? Into 3 by 22 whole square into 8 by 22, right? Or 4 by 11. There is nothing but 4 by 11. So you can observe a pattern here. This term just 31.5 4 by 11. Here 1 3 by 22 is coming. Again here another 1 by 3 by 22 multiplication it is coming. So you can observe a pattern here. So MA you can have like this. MA equal to minus 13.5 plus, you know, the series A plus AR plus AR square and so on up to infinity equal to A by 1 minus R, right? So here A is this one. This is A. R is here 3 by 22, right? A is this much and R is this much. So A by 1 minus R. A is here 31.5 into 4 by 11 by 1 minus R. R is 3 by 22, which is equal to minus 13.5 plus here 31.5 into 4, 11 2 gets cancelled here. Okay, 1 by 11 by 22 minus 3, 19, right? 19 by 22, which is equal to minus 13.5 plus 31.5 into 4 into 2 by 19. How much is this? Check it.
Nine point 40.
Emma?
9.409.
9 point. Minus 13.5 plus, what is this value? 31.5 into 4 into 2 by 19.
Minus 236, sir.
0.236
Answer?
Yes, sir. Final answer.
Final 0.
236.
What was previous answer?
Minus.
235 or 236?
Minus, sir.
Minus 235 or 236?
6, sir.
మరి ఇంతకు 5 అని చెప్పారే ఇక్కడ.
సార్ ఇంతకు ముందు రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేసాం కదా సార్ 2 ని 3 లాగా.
ఏడంతే వస్తుందా 236?
లేదంటే అలానే వస్తుంది అక్కడ రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేసాం.
235 ఇక్కడ రౌండ్ అప్ చేసాం ఇక్కడ 23.53. ఓకే ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. యా, it is exact answer. Okay, 235 236. So we are getting matching here, right? So same answer we are getting. So what is the logic behind this is, why we have taken like this means, if you see this deflection curve here, the deflection curve is okay. So it is a symmetrical, there is a symmetry here. You can observe about center of this one, this is line of symmetry, okay. Line of symmetry. So this is actually 4 meters, right? Now because of symmetry, the slope will be here, the slope will be 0. Because of symmetry, slope is 0 here at center. And there is some deflection here. There is some deflection and the slope is 0. To replicate, to represent that, I mean the displacement situation, exactly we have chosen this kind of support conditions, okay. Here the displacement is like this for this. That means here for guided roller, slope is 0, some delta displacement is there. So 50% of this beam, whatever now we have taken this beam, out of this 50% if you take, that is the exact representation of this one, this previous problem, this one. That's why we are exactly matching those results. Even the 40.03 also you can check it. MBA also. Check it, that MBA. This is MAB. MBA. MBA, if you see, is there any pattern here now in MBA? MBA also pattern is there. That is 13.5 plus here, let us assume this is A. And what is R now? This 3/22, 3/22 square, that is R now. So A is 31.5 into 8/11 is A. And I mean one factor is continuously multiplying 3/22. Here 3/22 square. Like that it goes on. Okay. So that means 1 by R divided by 1 minus R. A by 1 minus R. R means here 3/22. So which is equal to 13.5 plus 31.5 into 8. 11 2 gets cancelled there. 2 into 22 minus 3. So 2 not there actually. Into 2. Into 2 comes here. 22 minus 3. 19 will come here. So how much is this?
40.02.
See, exactly same as before. 40.03. Okay. So like that, the three-spanned problem, the three-spanned symmetrical problem can be simplified to this problem. So just we need to have this AB and BC span, but BC span is only 4 meters here. You have to see this, okay? But originally that span was here for 8 meters, right? This was 8 meters. Now 50% only. The total beam itself, we are taking only 50% of beam. The loads also 30 and 30 was there only. Now we are taking 130 load, okay? That means exactly 50% of beam we have taken. But at center position, displacement is there. I mean, deflection is there. Rotation is 0. To represent that, we have chosen guided roller here. Okay. Now we will see one more problem. These are doubts ఉంటే అడగండి ఏది ఎట్లా తీసుకున్నాం అనేది. కిరణ్ డౌట్ ఉందా ఏమన్నా ఇందులో? కిరణ్ లేడేమో మరి. ఐ థింక్ కిరణ్ కనబడట్లేదు. కళ్యాణి క్లియర్ అమ్మా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే. జోష్నా క్లియర్ అయిందమ్మా అంతా?
సార్
Yes, sir.
ఎవరు అడుగుతున్నారు?
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఈ గైడెడ్ సపోర్ట్ కి మనం ఇక్కడ సాల్వ్ చేసాం కదా సార్, సింప్లీ సపోర్ట్ తీసుకొని.
అవును.
ఇక్కడ సింప్లీ సపోర్టెడ్ సాల్వ్ చేసిన దాంట్లో మనం ఎట్ సైడ్ మూవ్మెంట్ తీసుకున్నా ఇప్పుడు సేమ్ రావాలా సార్?
ఎక్కడ సపోర్ట్ తీసుకున్నాము?
సేమ్ గైడెడ్ రోలర్ ఫార్మ్ లో
ఈ పార్ట్
ప్రాబ్లం లోనే సార్.
గైడెడ్ రోలర్
అవును సార్.
చెప్పు.
మనం సాల్వ్ చేసాం కదా సార్ ఇప్పుడు మూవ్మెంట్స్.
ఈ 30 నువ్వు చెప్పేది?
అవును సార్.
ఆ 30 సేమ్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకు అంటే ఏరియా సేమ్ వచ్చే కోసం. ఎందుకు ఏరియా సేమ్ రావాలంటే మనం రిలీజ్ చేసుకునేది ఓన్లీ వర్టికల్ రియాక్షన్ కదా, స్లోప్ మారకూడదు అనమాట. స్లోప్ జీరో స్లోప్, ఇక్కడ జీరో స్లోప్ ఉండాలంటే అవి రెండు సమానంగా తీసుకుంటే జీరో స్లోప్స్ అలానే ఉంటాయి అనమాట.
అంటే 30 మాత్రమే ఈక్వల్ ఉండాలి, మిగిలిన మూమెంట్స్ ఏం కదా సార్ టోటల్ మూమెంట్ చేస్తే?
మళ్ళీ అకార్డింగ్లీ మనం మారుతుంది కదా, ఐ మీన్ ప్రాబ్లం వర్కౌట్ చేస్తే ఫైనల్గా ఎంత వస్తే అంత వస్తాయి అనమాట. ఇక్కడ మనము రిలీజింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ అనమాట ఇది. మనం అక్కడ సి దగ్గర వర్టికల్ రియాక్షన్ రిలీజ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం కదా, ఇక్కడ 15 ని -15 చేశాం కదా, ఆ -15 అవ్వడం వల్ల ఇక్కడ +15 వచ్చి ఇది కపుల్ క్రియేట్ అయ్యి ఇక్కడ క్లాక్ వైజ్ కపుల్ 60 క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది. దానికి మనం 30 పెట్టేసుకొని ఆ 30లో ఇక్కడ పెట్టాల్సి ఉంటుంది అనమాట, ఇక్కడ పెట్టాలన్నమాట. అంటే మనం రిలీజింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ అనమాట. ఇక్కడ ఈ 15 అనే రియాక్షన్ రిలీజ్ చేయడానికి మనం ఈ 30 పెట్టుకోవాల్సి వచ్చింది అనమాట మూమెంట్స్. ఆ 15 రియాక్షన్ మనకు ఉండకూడదు అనుకుంటున్నాం. ఇక్కడ జీరో అయిపోవాలి రియాక్షన్. ఇక్కడ రియాక్షన్ జీరో అయిపోవాలంటే ఇక్కడ యాంటీ క్లాక్వైజ్ 30 పెట్టి తీరాలన్నమాట. అప్పుడు మీకు రియాక్షన్ జీరో అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఇక్కడ అప్పుడు మనం ఫైనల్ పెట్టుకున్నాం. ఈ ఫైనల్ మూమెంట్స్ పెట్టుకుని తర్వాత డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ చేసుకుంటూ వచ్చాం అనమాట.
పెట్టుకున్నాం
ఏంటి
పాజిటివ్ మూమెంట్ వచ్చింది కదా సి దగ్గర +30 కదా, మనం -30 పెట్టుకున్నాము ఎందుకు అని.
సి దగ్గర ఇది ఏ డైరెక్షన్? ఇది కనబడుతుందా? ఇది ఏ డైరెక్షన్?
ఓకే
యాంటీ క్లాక్వైజ్ 30 అంటే
యాంటీ క్లాక్వైజ్
-30.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, సెషన్ ఎండ్ చేస్తున్నాను, మళ్ళీ రీస్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం.